Hi everyone, I'm Marinel A. Patoy from BSA Block A, and today I will be talking about a very important issue here in Aurora, Zamboanga del Sur about the petty thief or stealing in the community. This topic is important because even small acts of thief can create stress and fear among residents. How this became a stressor for the people. Petty thief in the community can create a lot of stress for residents. When items are stolen, whether small things like food, money, or household goods, people start to feel unsafe in their own homes and neighborhoods. This fear of being a victim of thief can cause anxiety and worry every day. Even when nothing has happened yet, parents may become extra cautious about their children, which can add tension in the family. Financially, even small stolen items can be a burden, especially in a community where many people already have limited resources. Losing money or essential things can make it harder to afford basic needs like food or school supply, which adds pressure and stress. Petty thief also affects trust and relationship in the community. Neighbors may start to feel suspicious of each other, create tension, and reducing the sense of togetherness. Over time, this environment of fear, uncertainty, and suspicious can cause mental stress, worry, and even emotional fatigue, affects both adults and children. How I, as an individual, can help to solve this problem. Even as one person, you can contribute to reducing petty thief in your community. First, secure your own belongings by locking doors, keep valuables safe, and being careful with money or personal items. This prevents thief and also sets an example for others in the community. Next, report thief incidents to the barangay or local authorities. Reporting helps ensure that actions is taken and that patterns of thief are noticed, which can prevent future incidents. You can also promote honesty and responsibility, especially among children and youth, by educating them about the importance of respecting other people's priority. This can be done through community programs, school discussions, or even casual guidance to younger neighbors. Another, supporting or organizing community watch programs with neighbors work together to keep an eye on each other properties and look out for suspicious activity. It creates a safer environment and reduces opportunities for theft. Another, supporting or organizing community watch programs when neighbors work together to keep an eye on each other properties and look out for suspicious activity. It creates a safer environment and reduces opportunities for theft. Lastly, encourage communications and cooperations among neighbors so that people feel connected and responsible for each other's safety. A close-knit community where people care about one another is less likely to experience repeated petty theft.